Hello Habibti, كيف انت? Hello my friend, how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the months of the year in Maltese. And what you need to be aware of first is that it's very important for you to know that you'll easily be able to understand the majority of Maltese conversations if you get my free Maltese ebook from the description below, as this contains 50 of the most popular Maltese words. Now let's look at how you say January. Jannar. Jannar. Now let's look at February. Frar. Frar. Marzu. Marzu. March. April. 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 Maio. Maio. May. Giugno. Giugno. June. Luglio. Luglio. July. Agosto. Agosto. August. Setembro. Settembro. September. Ottobro. Ottobro. October. Novembro. Novembro. November. Dicembro. Dicembro. December. And one last important thing to remember is that if you want to speak Maltese confidently, just like my student Maria was able to do in just a couple of weeks, by the way, make sure you get my online Maltese language course from the description below. Narak Dalwat. See you soon.